To find the derivative of e to the 2x sine 3 of x, we first want to use the product rule, where basically u of x times v of x are like the derivatives, is equals to the derivative of u of x times just the function v of x plus the function u of x times the derivative of v of x. So in this case, when we're looking at the question above, e to the 2x is going to be equal to u of x, and sine 3 of x is going to be equals to v of x. And in this case, I'm just determining it based on the order. So we need to differentiate both. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative of e to the 2x. And when you take the derivative of e to the 2x, you multiply the n, but not the x, onto this side. So it would equal 2e to the 2x. So you would actually keep the 2 in front of the x, as well as put the 2 down over here. And so this will be equal. So this will essentially just be our u of x right here. This is not the final answer. We'll just need to use this later into this formula. And then we have to do it again to sine 3x. And anytime you take the derivative of sine of 3x, it flips into cosine. And using the same application where we put the 2 in front of the e, we're going to put the 3 in front of the sine while keeping the 3x. So it's going to be equals, and it flips to cosine. So 3 cosine 3x. And this is going to be equals to v of x. And so now that we have these two numbers, we can plug in for this equation over here for the product rule. So when plugging in for the product rule, we have our original g of x, and we're setting it equals to 2e to the 2x multiplied by our original sine 3x plus our original e to the 2x, and multiplied by our new 3 cosine 3x. So this is like near our final answer. All you have to do now is simplify. And maybe you don't need to. Some teachers may not want you to, but to simplify, what we're just going to do is we're going to factor e to the 2x out so that it is simplified. So basically, if you notice over here, it says 2e to the 2x sine 3 of x. We can just put the 2 in front of the sine and keep the e to the 2x, and then we can get rid of this e to the 2x over here and keep 3 cosine of 3x. And yeah, so this would be e to the 2x, 2 sine 3x plus 3 cosine 3x. And that would be your final answer. This is what the derivative g of x equals to.